Please, Mr. Modi, please, the situation here. This is too much. It is very serious. It is provoking so much of hatred to this women, to these mothers and daughters of this city. Shame on you. Why are you being so silent and not taking any action or to stop this war? Why are you being on the side of the war? Why are you being so silent? How dare you, Mr. Biren, come out and just add your action to your performing? It is getting to the worst level. Why are you letting the other side of the people killing the Meitei people? So we are very much heartbroken. So we are not going to stop. We are not going to stay at home and sleep and eat. We are not going to stay silent. So we are going to start the war with you or without you to the Indian government.
Manipur ki chief minister na tampak na shanti lai re kai palang re hai bache kari na saki adu de koi ki kok se ko thoga mit ko thoga shanti ni hai na ga de chief minister na sa lao a koi me ke kok se ko laga shanti pura पेपर खुलाई पतिचाना यावबा गाड़ी अहुम थौजनग्रे शांति की लंबेन पुरनबा अखोई मणिपुरी मचा येलौमी सिंबु हालगा मोय ngakan lehorga शांति लेननबा सिलिब्रा अदु ओइरगदि चाउरबा गाड़ी दुदा थौरगा करिगिनो मणिपुर स्टेट की सिक्युरिटी ना वाइ चाइरबा मतमसिदा फाबा ngandriba punba ngandriba अदुगा असम राइफलना इंडिया ना थारकपनी अखोई येलौमी ngaknabani हाइरगा ओछल लगा अखोई दे नोमै कापगा इसागी मकोक खोतोगा हालिसि भारत सरकार ना करी वाखंदनो अदुदि भारत सरकार ना अखोई सिबो स्टेट की इंडिया की फिबान द तिंद्रगदि अखोई का इराम दाम ले चलगे Jangan